See you after the blue car. There we go. I made it. Wasn't even close. Okay. We're at mile marker 23 on the overseas highway, heading north. Just shooting little fun test videos today. Clip here and a clip there. They do a lot of biking in this area, so nothing wrong with promoting it, I guess. We're coming up to the Kemp Channel fishing bridge. It's incorrectly marked on Facebook at this point in time, which is March of 2021. It's incorrectly marked as Niles Channel, but it's not. This is Kemp Channel. Sign says on both sides. Show it to you. Kemp Channel. And it's a pretty popular fishing bridge. You can tell a lot of my friends have been here fishing, and I'll show you why. See all that tackle up on the wires? That's how you roll. I tried getting some drone footage of it, but it's just too hard of a task. Oh, Mr. Pelican. Okay, I gotta take my time over here. There's a Avalon 200 horse. That looks like that thing will fly low. Gonna get through the obstacle course here. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, approaching the Summerland Key. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Pedego alert. Parking area for the Kemp Channel fishing bridge. Don't bring your RV here. I don't even think they're allowed. And no boat trailers. Do not bring them. No oversized vehicles. No boat trailers. No RVs. Don't do it. Cars only. You've been warned. Okay, I gotta watch my P's and Q's here. Gonna ride on the road for just a bit till I get to Summerland Key Cove, I think. Then again, I could film the bike path for the millionth time too. Probably safer to film the bike path, so I'll cross the road again. Okay, this is the west side of Overseas Highway on Summerland Key, the Key West side. We'll be crossing the road next.